Okay guys, I finally got my drag slicks on the Vette. It was such a pain getting it up in the air to clear the jack, even though I got a low profile jack. I had to use like a couple blocks, wood blocks, as you can see, just to get it up in the air. That's like 3 inches right there. The car's lowered, so I had to mess with it. Finally got it done. A little pain in the ass. And also this exhaust bracket was just like facing down. Somebody put it on like down, so it was always scraping on the bottom end. But I was like gonna like twist it up sideways, but then I realized the part where this was sitting, the clamp, the whole exhaust was just welded, so no use for this. I got it out, so now it should be a little less scrapage. We're gonna take it out next time to the autocross and see how these tires perform. Should be good. Drag slicks. That's sticky icky. Let's go take it for a test drive, see how those slicks feel.